So in DeepSeek, what you can also do is you can utilize multi-message prompts. So the prompt does not have to be completed in one single chat, but you can say something like this. So I'm just going to go around and say, prepare a set of 10 questions, 10 questions for the topics I will send in the next set of messages. Do this for each of the topic I send in further messages right here, just like this. So if I were to type in this prompt, I'm not giving a particular topic in this message. I'm just saying that I will stop sending messages from the next message, right? Send the topics from the next messages. So I'm just going to go around and hit the send button right here. And once you do that, you can see that it says, God, please send me the first topic and I'll prepare 10 questions for it. So I'm just going to go around and say video games, let's say for example, and then I'm going to hit the send button on the next message. And then what happens is that it'll treat that out as a content that you need to make a question of. So you can see that based on this prompt right here, I gave the topic right here. You can see the question. So now the DeepSeek has been told that it needs to make question for any of the words or topics that I provide. So now I'm just going to go around and say blogging right here and hit the send button just like this. And now what happens is that it'll send 10 questions related to blogging right here. So that is how you can actually go ahead and utilize multi-message prompts inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.